one of the things I'm trying to learn how to deal with and explain, especially to my child's teacher, is that when you first meet my kiddo, like, you're not going to understand what I mean when I'm like, he's neurodivergent. And this has happened at every preschool. This has happened when he goes to camps, when he's with anyone new. The child that you're going to meet at first, like, oh my God, he's so great. Like, there's no issues. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, this is going to be so fine. And then maybe it's a couple weeks, maybe it's even a couple months. But then all of a sudden we're going to start getting those calls like, I don't know what's going on. He's not listening. He doesn't want to participate. And it's hard to say, like, you know, like the one that you met at first, that wasn't really him. Like, that was him messed up, freaked out, terrorized, the kid who can't be told what to do. Yeah, that's him. That's every day. So